Hello everyone, this is Vlada from VLADA'S place, and today we are making pomegranate juice. The best possible way to do this is, of course, picking your own homegrown pomegranates. The good ones will be saved for juicing, but there are lots of them that are already open, which we are going to share with the animals that live on the farm. I got a whole bucket of the broken ones, which we will take to chickens. Chickens absolutely love pomegranate seeds, and I'm gonna let you listen for a moment all the happy sounds they make while they were eating it. But chickens were not the only ones who enjoy this amazing fruit. Dogs have their share, and the pigs made sure to claim their portion. But then again, how could you resist? It's a December in California, and these fruits are bursting with sugar. They're so delicious and so healthy. Now that all animals are taken care of, the good ones are going to the juicing process.
There's not that many on those.
It was a good year, and each one of these red capsules is bursting with sun's energy. The squeezing process will take a while, and it is a bit messy process because the red color will stain just about everything you touch it. But it's all so worth it because the result is incredible. Part of the juice will be drank straight. Part of it will be used to make pomegranate jelly. And one portion of this will be used to make pomegranate meat. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but it's sure nice doing it for somebody. You bet.
Sit in an office and I can just do my yard work myself.
I guess that's...
I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Vlada Vladic, and I'm a founder of a charitable organization called VLADA'S Seeds of Life, whose mission is reconnecting families and communities in America. And we do this while we promote healthier eating and more quality family time shared over a healthy homemade meals. To find out more about this initiative, please visit VLADAV.com.